This is a kind of impromptu video, but this was requested. I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup collection, and I love makeup collection videos, but mine has shrunk so much over the years that I didn't know if it was something you guys were interested in, but here's an overview. And then I also have a little bathroom section that I will show you guys as well. But first and foremost, this drawer organizer is from IKEA. I have 2 of them. This side is my crafting stuff, like my fun crafting hobby stuff. Like in here is all electronical things. Kind of organized, but it doesn't look organized. And then, yeah, craft stuff. So if you want to see what's in the drawers, let me know. But then over here, I have more makeup items. At the top, first drawer, this is where I keep my makeup collection. And this is the makeup that I don't pull for like daily use, but I will come in and swap things out. Like if I need a really bright highlighter, I'll come in here and get my Anastasia one. Or if I need a different powder, like these Makeup Forever powders, I have a dark one and a light one. Like if I need a darker one for vacation, I'll come and pull from here. If I want a different lip color, I'll pull from here. So that's kind of what's going on. Let's start here at the very top corner. These plastic containers, like these little organizers, if you can see in between, are from Amazon. I will link them in my Amazon storefront. But you get like, I don't know, 40 like little containers for super inexpensive. So if you want organizers, Amazon. All right, this right here in the corner, this little container here is mostly face products. So it's mostly bronzers, and this is a primer, but then we have concealer, some powder puffs, and then these are just new lip products that are still in the packaging that I have to try. So those are random. But then moving to the next container is more face products. Like I was saying, face powders, blushes, and bronzers. Like from MAC, we have Anastasia, Laura Mercier, Makeup Forever, Hourglass, one of my favorite brands for powders. So I have a backup of this. Yeah, some collection ones I don't want to get rid of. Dior. And then this little section here are just more face products with these lean. More blushes. That. Lorac. Love that one. I don't even know if they make a lot of these anymore. Sleek. So yeah, and then, oh, in the back here are some single eyeshadows. NARS, Stila, Hourglass, and MAC. And then these 3 containers here are lip products. So everything from drugstore to high-end. We have Dior, YSL, Smashbox, MAC, a bunch of the NYX butter glosses, Lime Crime, Merit is right there. Anything you can think of. So that's that. And then here are just some travel mirrors, just in case I need to grab one for my purse. Some Q-tips here in little travel packs. And then here we have my clean brushes. So if I'm doing my makeup and I need a brush, I will come over here. These are both clean. And then moving on to the back there, we have makeup palettes. This is mostly eyeshadow. So we have like Juvia's Place, Inglot, customized ones. And then in the back here, we have some face palettes and eye palettes. Nothing in particular. What's in this one? Oh, MAC eyeshadows, which I don't use anymore. But regardless, moving on, we have little containers here. These are mostly tools, gua sha, beauty blenders, lash glue, tape measure, tweezers, and scissors. Here we have a little like face section, but this is just foundation and concealer, and then 2 eyeliners. The others are in my bathroom, which I'll show you in a second. And here we have some random skincare that I opened, but it's not in my rotation yet because I'm going through other things. So we have Erno Laszlo moisturizer. We have this LED face light, hand lotion. These are all powders back here. And then Desi skincare. This is like boob tape and makeup bags back there. So overall, that is my entire makeup collection. I know it's not as exciting as it used to be, but that's what I'm working with. And then in this next drawer underneath is pretty much new products that are brand new, haven't been opened. Everything up here is opened, used, and in rotation. This stuff's not even close to rotation, so we have a bunch of skincare. We have a bunch of random things. Liquid IV is in here for some reason. Hair care is over here. Tools, face tools, all of that. And then down here is brand new makeup. It's kind of unorganized. It's kind of crazy, but stuff that's not opened, and they're like my backup. So if I need like a brush cleaner, I'll come in here and I'll open this up, but I'm still working on some brush cleaner. So yeah, not organized and not pretty. So yeah, this is kind of the bread and butter when it comes to actual makeup collection, but let me take you into the bathroom now. All right, you guys, now we're in the little corner of my bathroom, and I'm not going to show you myself right now. I look like a hot mess, but I've had this acrylic makeup organizer for a very long time, and I just still haven't gotten rid of it. It works for now. This I got at Target, and then this I got at Home Goods. So let's start here. This is like the only eyeshadow palette I currently use, and yeah, not mad about it. You guys can see I've hit pan. It's a nice neutral palette. It's by Marc Jacobs. So yeah, no complaints there. And then we have a face palette here, which is by Benefit. Kind of rough, but I like it. And then an Hourglass palette here. And then we have some Q-tip applicators. We have my Nirvana perfume, which I don't know why that's there, but it's there regardless. And then here in the front, we have some lip products, some mascaras. This is my current favorite mascara. It's waterproof. It's so good. It lasts. Primer, more lip products. This is my go-to face product. It's really lightweight. It's natural, but it's a little too dark for me right now, so I have to get a different color. And then we have some clear lip glosses here in the front. Back here, we have eyeliners. And then lip liners up here, and then more eye and lip stuff there. We have eyelash curler, sponge, and a nail file. Up here, it's just really random. Single shadow, translucent powder, color correcting concealer, liquid drops, like luminizing drops, concealer, and moisturizer. And then here we have setting spray, more foundations, Lancome True Match, eyebrow stuff, so gel and powder, perfumes back there, my eye drops, another sharpener, soap, I don't know, nail glue, and then in here is just random jewelry and headbands, and then down here are some more tools, nail buffer, contacts, scissors, nail clippers, tweezers, and then my brushes. So that is honestly it for my makeup collection. It's this and then what you guys just saw. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's not as exciting as it used to be, but I've really pared down my makeup. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.